PyAudio Input Overflowed -9981, no solution working. Please do not report this question as a duplicate, because none of the already available solution working for me. I tested them all. So, I am trying to run a PyAudio sample recording program in my Raspberry Pi Model B board. This is the error I am getting. There are certain solutions already available that solved many users' problem, which in my case, isn't true. Here is what I've tried. First of all, here is the code. I have also tried if the current configuration is supported or not. Both 44,000 and 44,100 are support, but still I'm getting the same error again and again. This is my USB audio card device info. Does anybody has any idea as why I'm still getting the error?
Did you try setting exception underscore on underscore overflow to false? From the PyAudio documentation. Read samples from the stream. Do not call when using non-blocking mode. Parameters. Num underscore frames, the number of frames to read. Exception underscore on underscore overflow, specifies whether an EO error exception should be thrown or silently ignored on input buffer overflow. Defaults to true. Raises EO error. If stream is not an input stream or if the read operation was unsuccessful. Return type. String.
Change your chunk parameter to 8192 instead of 1024. Worked for me. Reference, EO error, no input overflowed, -9981.
Elaborating on it, Sid Rajput's answer, since I did not find this clearly stated, it's not enough to set this inside your script/project. If you're importing, PyAudio.py itself needs to be modified. Caret line 589-590 and PyAudio.py v0.2.8.
I just increased the chunk number and it appears that it works. Here's my code.
If you want to see more, listen Schuberts streaming.